Hi, my name's Pam Doneen, and I just finished week 15 on the Nutrisystem program, and I also reached my goal weight. So I will share with you what I am going to do moving forward to keep the weight off. I will talk to you about how my last week on the Nutrisystem program went, and I will also let you know how I'm feeling. First, I have to show you these little guys. You get a bear for every 10 pounds you lose. So I called and did a last order of food. I had enough food to get to the end, but I wanted some extra food just so I wasn't quitting cold turkey. And the gal that I talked to asked me about my weight loss and how much I had lost. And I told her that I had lost the 20 pounds, but 5.8 of it was before Nutrisystem, and she still sent me a 20-pound bear because I did lose 20 pounds, and that was really sweet of her. I do appreciate that. It's just kind of fun to have these. And they have little tags with motivational sayings in them, and they each have a name. So I will read those to you. Actually, I wrote it on a separate piece of paper so I wouldn't have to squint and read these to you. So anyway, I've got it written down here. So this bear's name is Pound. Pound says, congratulations on your initial weight loss. She's here to keep you motivated as you continue towards your goal weight. So this one's Pound. This little 20-pound bear is named Commitment. Losing 20 pounds proves you have the commitment to succeed, but a little inspiration from commitment couldn't hurt. So this one's Commitment. This one's name is Goal Bear. You did it. Goal Bear wants to give you a big high five. She's your I can keep the weight off lucky charm as you begin your maintenance program. So anyway, I really thought that was nice to have these little bears. And I will show you a few pictures of how people have displayed their bears. I did that when I got the 10-pound bear, but I found a few more online, and it's kind of cute. I enjoy that. But before I show you, if you're liking this video, if you could do the like and also subscribe and notification bell, I'd love that. So anyway, let's go take a look at a few of the pictures right now. Isn't that nice to have a little something that just says, good job, you're reaching your goal, and then you do reach it? It's nice to have them set out. I have mine set in my home office, and they just make me happy to look at them. But anyway, I got to my goal. My goal was 124, and I made it to 123.8. So I have a little bit of wiggle room in there to start my maintenance program on. I'm going to start doing what they call flex meals. I've never had to do the flex meals before because I'm on the Uniquely Yours Ultimate program where you buy all the breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So I didn't have to do flex meals on my program. And if you don't know what a flex meal is, it's when you take your own groceries and you make a breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack using Nutrisystem guidelines. So that's a flex meal. And I am going to continue to use the Nutrisystem guidelines in my maintenance program. I want to continue adding power fuels and smart carbs and eating every 2 to 3 hours because I want to be really careful that I don't gain my weight back. I am intimidated by the flex meals because I have not had to do them before, and I've already called Nutrisystem twice asking them questions about the flex meals and how I'm supposed to do this. So I am intimidated right now, but like anything, you start getting used to it, you move forward with it, and it does get easier. Something I really like about the flex meals is I can make enough food for the family. I no longer am going to be making 2 separate dinners. So I do like that about the flex meals. Plus it'll be nutritional food for everybody to eat. And I am finding some good recipes, so that's good. Anyway, I can't believe I reached the goal. I'm done. I reached my weight goal. And wow, okay, I did it, yay. But don't worry, I won't leave you. I am finding out new things, such as these flex meals. And as I find out new information, I will share that with you. So anyway, thank you for watching my video. And if you could like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, we'd all like that. But anyway, thank you again. Have an amazing week, and I will see you soon. Thank you.